Hey guys, it's Lauren. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm talking to you all about the best and worst dry shampoos I've tried. And believe me, I've tried a lot. I'm constantly trying out new dry shampoos because I'm such a firm believer in dry shampoo itself. And so I kind of want to give you the rundown of each of the products I'm mentioning, the prices, the formula, all of that fun stuff. That way you can make a good informed decision for you and your hair on what dry shampoo is best. And then I'm also going to be talking about a few products that I just don't like that much, I wouldn't recommend to anyone, and kind of just where you can save your money. The main reason that I use dry shampoo is just because I apply a lot of heat to my hair, and whatever I'm doing styling wise to my hair, whatever heat I'm applying, whether it's straightening or curling my hair, I want that look to last as long as possible. So that way I don't have to keep reapplying heat to my hair, and dry shampoo can really increase the longevity of a look up to 3 days for me. And so I really do enjoy it for that reason. Also, it helps me minimize the amount of times I have to, physically wash my hair. Not that I'm not showering all the time, but when you're washing your hair and using shampoo can be very damaging to the hair because it can strip it of some oils that it really does need. Not to say you don't need to be shampooing your hair. However, I would just be careful and minimize the amount of times that you're actually doing it. So that's the gist of today's video. I'm going to go through, give you all the scoop on all the dry shampoos. I hope that it's helpful. Let's get on into it. Alright, the first product I wanted to mention is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. So that's what it looks like. In this bottle you get 7 ounces, which is a lot. And for the price, it's a drugstore product. It's a good value. However, I will say this is not my favorite product, especially at the drugstore. I feel like there's a lot of better products out there. And it claims to not leave, excess oils. It's supposed to, volumize. And it does do a great job at volumizing the hair. I really think that it amplifies and just gives your hair a really full look. So if that's what you're looking for, it's great for that. However, I feel like it kind of leaves my hair feeling dirty. I don't know if it's actually making it dirty. It does kind of leave a little bit of a residue, and I'm just not in love with that feeling, especially when I'm just wanting some clean hair. So if you're interested in volumizing, you'll like this. If you're interested in kind of feeling more clean, you probably won't. Okay, next up we have the OGX Protecting in Silk Blowout Dry Shampoo. So that's what it looks like. This product retails for $9, and in it you get 5 ounces. So another pretty good value. And this product does a really great job at making my hair look super smooth and silky. It also makes my hair feel smooth and silky, which I really do love. I would consider this more of a styling product because I don't see that it really does the job of a dry shampoo. It doesn't make my hair feel any cleaner. It doesn't make my hair look any cleaner, and that's typically what I expect a dry shampoo to do. And so the fact that this one doesn't is kind of a downfall for me, except it really does do a great job at just smoothing it and making it look really nice. So if you're interested in a product that'll do so, then this may be a good one to pick up. And it smells really, really good. It has this rosy undertone, and I do like a lot from OGX. And just because I don't like this one doesn't mean I don't like the other products that I've tried out. And those are styling products, so I think they have a really good styling line. However, this dry shampoo just isn't my favorite. Alright, the next product is tied for my first favorite dry shampoo with another one I'll be mentioning later on in the video, but this one is probably the most well-rounded dry shampoo out there, and I think for the price you just can't go wrong. So these are the Batiste Instant Hair Refreshing Dry Shampoos. These are amazing, and for $8, they just do so much. I feel like they make my hair look clean, they make it smell really nice, they volumize it, but not too much, because you know me, I don't like anything that's too intense, and this really doesn't do it. However, it does have a bit of a white cast, and that is why I put it on before I go to sleep at night, and it'll do an amazing job. So, this one is the original version, the one I've gone through so many times. It's the Clean and Classic. But really, I would get this one every single time if it was more readily available. It's a little bit harder to find. This is the Clean and Light Bare version. It doesn't have a tint or anything like that. It's not going to turn your hair color. It just has a better scent to me, but it's a little bit harder to find. Not that the scent isn't good, because I really do like it. And if you're going to be using a dry shampoo, you want something that's going to, smell nice, because you're going to get a whiff of it, like when your hair gets in your face, a lot. So that is something to think about when you're looking for a dry shampoo, because pretty much every single one does have a scent. Alright, so the next product is the original Instant Dry Shampoo. So this product is super affordable. You can find it a ton of different places, Ulta, the drugstore, wherever. And in this bottle, you get 5.3 ounces. So it's a good deal. It's available pretty much everywhere. But my thing with this product is, I just don't find it to do that much. And I really don't have any positives to say about it. I think that you're just kind of adding product to your hair and it's not really doing anything. But even though I don't have any positives, I also don't really have any negatives. I don't think that this really does anything at all. It's not adding any negative effects to my hair. It's not doing anything I don't want done to my hair. It's just not really doing anything. And I kind of just think you're spending money on nothing essentially, so I wouldn't recommend it. If you wanted to try it, you totally could. It's not going to do anything you don't want it to do, I don't think. I mean, for me, I haven't seen that effect. However, I don't know. I just kind of think it's not really worth anything. Alright, let's just continue on this negative note. So this is the Ouai Dry Shampoo Foam. And for $28, you're getting 5.3 ounces, which is just as much as the dry shampoo we were talking about. And while that product doesn't really do anything, this one kind of has like a negative effect almost to it. For a dry shampoo, I'm looking for something that's going to clean and make my hair look not as oily. This product, while making my hair look smooth and silky, it makes it look incredibly oily. It has the texture of a mousse and it comes across as a mousse. I've tried out other foams that I really do enjoy. It's not just like a weird, thing that I just don't like foams. This one is just very odd. It's different from the other ones. Not to say I don't love Ouai. I love their hair oil. Their like original one. That is great. Like I'm willing to pay a higher price tag for their products, but this one, I don't know, like I'll show you the texture of the actual product. It has a very weird, that foam consistency, but when you rub it in, it's just greasy and nasty. So that's what it looks like. I don't know. I just think for the price of the product, it should not be performing the way it does, and it's almost one of probably my least favorite dry shampoos I've tried. Alright, so I mentioned before, the Batiste Dry Shampoo is my favorite dry shampoo, tied with another one. This is the one it's tied with. It is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. So that's what it looks like. This is actually the travel size just because I don't have the larger size with me on hand. And the price that I put on the screen a second ago, and that'll be in the description box, is the price for the travel size version of it. This dry shampoo is amazing. It smells amazing. But the main thing with this, not only does it smell amazing, it has a really nice effect on my hair. It makes it look smooth, even while it's getting rid of, like the dirt in my hair. Like I feel like this product truly cleans my hair. It is not just making my hair look clean, it's cleaning it as well. And for that reason, I am totally willing to pay the higher price tag. I mean, you're only getting 1.8 ounces in this product, the smaller version. And for the price tag that you're paying, it seems kind of like, I don't know, but this product truly is so, so good. I cannot say enough great things about it. Alright, so the next product is probably my third favorite dry shampoo. It would be tied with the other two that I mentioned. However, I just haven't tried this one as long, and I don't really feel comfortable saying, it's holy grail status, but it is close. It is the Sephora Green Tea Dry Shampoo. I've talked about this a little bit on my channel, and in this product, you are getting 2.5 fluid ounces, and this is supposed to be a refreshing and purifying a product, and I really do find that it does so. It's not necessarily like cleaning my hair, but it is definitely making my hair look clean and making it smell really nice. I love Sephora's like green tea scent that's in like their makeup wipes and in their lip balms. I love it, and to have it in my hair all day long, it's really, really nice. I think this has a great effect to it, and if you're looking for something that's, available at Sephora, if you have like Rouge status, you can get free shipping with it anytime. And so I think that is a really nice aspect to it. Things that are at Sephora are pretty much easier for me to go pick up because I'm always on the website or always at Sephora. It's just the place I shop the most. So this dry shampoo is pretty nice. It's not my favorite. It's not my least favorite. This is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. So that's what it looks like. This is the travel size. And again, the price that I have will be the travel size price. This dry shampoo smells amazing. It is so, so nice. I love, like, if they made this in a perfume, I'd totally pick it up. They might, and if they do and let me know down below. But this is just one of my favorite scent-wise dry shampoos. I really don't think this is cleaning. It leaves kind of a residue in your hair. It doesn't feel the best. It does make your hair look clean. It gives a good, like, kind of smooth, nice effect. And they do say that it's supposed to help revive your hair, and I do think that I find that it does that. It makes my hair look a little less dead and dry, and so for that reason I really do like it. If you're looking for something that's gonna really like clean your hair, this probably won't do that job. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this kind of different, not necessarily makeup, more just beauty in general type videos, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would love to hear what you guys think. If you have any video ideas you want me to do in the future, let me know down below. You guys know I love hearing from you. I just wanted to say thank you so much for taking the time to check my channel out. I really do appreciate it, especially as a smaller creator. I really appreciate the support because I know you could be doing so many other things, so it really does mean a lot to me. I hope that you guys have a great couple of days until I post my next one, and I will see you then. Bye!